Hello, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Today I am going to exchange battery of this emergency light. Battery was damaged of this emergency light. You can open like this. Inside this emergency light there is not battery because I had already removed it before some time. Today I have got another battery, so I am going to exchange with another battery. That is of mobile backup. I had a small mobile backup and it is not necessary now, so I am going to exchange battery of that emergency backup to this emergency light. These are the wires for batteries, and this is battery of small mobile backup, and it is not necessary to me now, so I am going to use this battery in emergency light. I am removing all the components from here and I am taking just battery here. This is battery of small mobile backup that we used to use before 6-7 years. I am connecting batteries wire with this emergency lights wire. While connecting, you be careful. Plus you connect with plus, minus you connect with minus of battery with emergency light. Now you can look, light is lighting up. I have already joined battery. Now I need to keep tape here. As the insulator, I am keeping tape. Now for this battery also we need to keep insulator. For that I am using foam here, because if we don't keep that insulator, it may cause short circuit. So I am keeping foam with the batteries. You can look there. It will save to be from short circuit. Use foam like this, and after that you can manage it. Now you can put like this. You check before keeping that final cover. It's working. Now put this final cover. There is not any screw, just there is lock. Like this you can exchange battery. If you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I will be posting next videos too. Thank you.